Hello children. Today we are going to learn about adjectives. Before we start, let's see what is an adjective. An adjective is a defining word, that is, it gives an extra information about the noun or pronoun it defines. Examples: Reena has a beautiful dress. In this sentence, the word beautiful tells us about the kind of dress Reena has. Dress is the noun here. Beautiful is the adjective here. So, what kind of dress? Beautiful dress. So, that is the adjective. The word beautiful is the adjective in this sentence. Another example. Tanya has long hair. In this sentence, the word long tells us about the kind of hair Tanya has. Long is the adjective here. Long describes the noun hair. Hence, long is the adjective. One more example. Father bought 5 chocolates for me. Here, chocolates is the noun. How many chocolates? 5 chocolates. That 5 is the describing word for the noun chocolates. So, 5, the word 5 is the adjective in this sentence. From this, we understand that adjectives are describing words that tell us more about persons, animals, places and things. In other words, the words that describe noun are called adjectives. Hope you all understood about adjectives. Now let's see the position of adjectives. Adjectives are usually placed before the nouns they describe. They are called attributive adjectives. Example: 3 girls are selected for the play. Here the adjective 3 is placed before the noun girls. So it is an attributive adjective. One more example. For attributive adjective, Tom is driving his new car. Here, the adjective new is placed before the noun car. So, it is also an attributive adjective. However, sometimes the adjectives can be placed after a noun or after the verb. They are called predicative adjectives. Examples: The students of my class are clever. Students is the noun, clever is the adjective. It is placed at the end of the sentence after the auxiliary verb. Another example with an action verb. He looks smart. He is a pronoun, looks is an action verb, and smart is the adjective. So we understood that predicative adjectives go after the verb and after the noun. Hope you all understood about attributive adjectives and predicative adjectives. Now we are going to learn about the different kinds of adjectives. Adjectives can be classified into the following categories. Number 1, adjectives of quality. 2, adjectives of quantity. 3, adjectives of number. 4, demonstrative adjectives. 5, interrogative adjectives. 6, possessive adjectives. 7, distributive adjectives. 8, exclamatory adjectives. And the 9th one, emphatic adjectives. Now let's learn about each one of them. The first one, adjectives of quality. The words that describe the kind or quality of a noun is called adjectives of quality. In other words, adjective of quality is an adjective that tells us about the kind or nature of a person, thing or animal. Examples: Veena is a good dancer. The word good tells us about the kind. What kind of dancer? Good. So, good is the adjective. Another example: Mumbai is a big city. What kind of city? Big city. Hence, big. Here, big is the adjective of quality. So, we understand that adjectives of quality answer the question, what kind of? Hope you understood that. Let's move to the second category, that is adjective of quantity. The teacher gave me some homework. Here, some tells us about the quantity of homework. Another example: I have enough time to do the homework. Here the word enough tells us the quantity of time. Hence, these two are adjectives of quantity. Remember, adjectives of quantity answer the question how much. Now, hope you understood both adjectives of quality and adjectives of quantity. For adjectives of quality, you should ask the question, what kind of? Now let's move to the third category, that is adjectives of number. Adjectives of number are the words that describe how many or in what number the noun is available. For example, some people want to meet you. Here, the word some is the adjective of number. Another one, all the cows belonged to the farmer. All is the adjective of number. I ate 2 apples yesterday. 2 is the adjective of number here. So, they answer the question how many. Also, adjectives like first, second, fourth, fifth are also adjectives of number. An example, January is the first month of the year. So, we understood that adjectives of number answer the question how many. Now, let's move to the fourth category, that is demonstrative adjectives. The words that point out towards a particular noun are called demonstrative adjectives. For example, that boy won the race. Here, that. We are pointing out that. So, that is the demonstrative adjective here. Another example, those mangoes are sweet. Those, we are pointing out those. So, those is the demonstrative adjective here. Demonstrative adjectives answer the question which. Interrogative adjectives. Words like what, which, whose and when are used to ask questions. When these words are used to question about a particular noun, they become interrogative adjectives. Examples: what animal is that? Here, the word what is an interrogative word. It asks the question to the noun animal. What animal? Another example, which dress do you want? Which is an interrogative word and it asks a question to the noun dress. Which dress? One more example, whose book are you reading? Whose is an interrogative word which asks the question to the noun book. Let's move to the next one, that is possessive adjectives. A possessive adjective is an adjective that shows possession or belonging. Examples: his, her, our, your, my, their, etc. My book is lying on the table. My here my tells us whose book? My book. Another example: they sold their house. Here their tells us whose house? Their house. So we understood that possessive adjectives answer the question whose. Distributive adjectives. Words like each, any, both, every, either, neither, etc. are distributive adjectives. They refer to members of a group as individuals. For example, each girl must bring her own water bottle. Neither of them got majority. Another example, each boy must take his turn. Exclamatory adjective. What is an exclamatory adjective? An exclamatory adjective is a word that shows strong emotion. We use them in conversation. What an idea! What a beautiful sight! What a cute baby! In all these sentences, what is the exclamatory adjective used? Remember, when we write exclamatory adjectives, we should use exclamation mark after completing the sentence. Now, we shall learn about emphatic adjectives or emphasizing adjectives. What are emphatic adjectives? Emphatic adjectives are used to emphasize the nouns that they modify by highlighting their importance. However, they do not change the meaning of the sentence. Examples: I saw with my own eyes. Remember, we can very well say the sentence I saw with my eyes. But on, the word on emphasizes the noun eyes. Hence, the word on is an emphatic adjective. Another example. The talent fest was a complete success. The word complete is used for emphasizing the noun success. Hence, it is an emphatic adjective. The word complete is an emphatic adjective. Hope you all understood what are adjectives, its position, and different kinds of adjectives. We shall meet in the next class where we will discuss on the topic degrees of comparison. Till then, goodbye.